proceed towards our next category. Can we see the next category on the stage? Outside of the box design of the year. And let's hear it loud. Who's the winner for this particular category? And the winner is...
The winner is Amrit Food. No, not Amrit Food. It's Paras Spices Private Limited.
Yes, it's Paras Spices Private Limited. And to collect the award, I would like to call on stage Mr. Paras Buddhiraja and Mrs. Akshita Buddhiraja. Please come on the stage to collect the award. Many congratulations to both of you. And with this, I would like to tell you about them. Mrs. Akshita Buddhiraja is a dynamic and ambitious entrepreneur who has made a significant impact on the spice industry through her innovation, ideas, and unwavering determination. She is a young and excel in her field despite being miles away from home. While studying marketing at the University of Manchester and working with Fortis Healthcare in the international market, she experienced the lodging, meals, and discovered the challenges at perfecting them with limited herbs and spices. In 2018, she and her husband jointly introduced a high-end gourmet spice and seasoning brand known to all as Aurika Spices. And with this, let me tell you about Mr. Paras Buddhiraja. He is a second generation entrepreneur as a director with Paras Spices Private Limited for the past 15 years. 15 years under his guidance and supervision, the company turnover has grown from 87 CR in year 2016 to 286 CR in year 2022. Additionally, under his leadership, the company successfully launched its premium brand Aurika in the retail market in short span of time. Aurika has made significant strides in various markets including GT, MT, e-com and institutional market. Thank you so much. Many congratulations to you and to your company.
Yeah, thank you Synex Group to chosen us for this particular category. And I would like to thank too on behalf of my management, because due to some any kind of work, they couldn't be available here. So thanks for you have already briefed about their journey. Thank you so much. And Paras Spices, basically they are into spices and seasoning segment from the last 40 years. But recently, as you narrated that Mrs. Akshita Buddhiraja, she has come up with the thought process of the retail marketing. And recently, Malaika Arora has been the brand ambassador for the Aurika brand in Paras Spices. And of course, we are also looking forward that going way forward, so we will, catch up the, further milestones in the Paras Spices. And I'll just dedicate this award to the entire team as well as to our management. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much and many congratulations to you and to your team, ma'am.